Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations, continuing on with the videos for my up and coming plugin. Um, and the next few sets of videos, we are going to be going over the leveling system. This is an optional feature, just like everything else. You don't have to use anything that you don't want. But I do know that there's a lot of systems that either don't have a leveling system or they're very restrictive on how you can utilize their leveling system. And that just doesn't provide the flexibility that is needed. So as you can see here in the project settings, there is a leveling section where you will determine your leveling rules and then also provide the gameplay tag for the attribute that is for experience, because we do indeed have one. So now that we know this, let me go ahead and I'll show you where that is at. Come in here and then we go to leveling. You'll see that I have some for skill points and for attribute points and then XP. There's nothing fancy about it. At the minimum only, set at 0. Because, we don't want the experience to go below 0. Actually, it doesn't even need to be replicated at all. There we go. Everything is set up how we need it. And that's it for the experience, is just making sure that you name it what you want. So if you're making a Souls-like game and you want to use Souls, then you name it Souls. It's as simple as that. Gives you complete and total control over the name of your experience. And then we have 3 different leveling rules types that you can do. And to end this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own. And in the next one, we'll actually go over each of these so you can see the differences. So if we just right click, we come down to the Wonderscape Gas Ally and leveling. You can see right here, leveling rules data. You can just click one, name it whatever you want, and then open it up, and you can start getting started. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.